Good morning, got my Starbucks. Today's tip, Destination Elevators. Wanted to show you guys how those work. It's a little different from your standard elevators, but you're gonna come over to the panel, punch in the number, it assigns a letter, D, which is over here. And as you can see, it's gonna take us right to deck 12. Doesn't stop at every single floor. Another quick tip for you, when you exit the elevators, A, B, and C are on the starboard side. So that's how I know exactly when I come out of the elevators, no matter what side I'm on, head to the A, B, C elevators, and that is where our cabin is located. Let's walk that way. See here? ABC. And this is us. Can't ask for a closer cabin, you guys. Have a great day.